Imagine a world where machines rule supreme, where automation has become the new norm and the once bustling workforces and workplaces now echo with silence. In this age of technological advancement, a haunting question arises: are we surrendering our livelihoods to the cold embrace of automation? Welcome to a world where technology has become both a creator and a destroyer, where the promise of efficiency clashes with the fear of unemployment. As automation takes center stage, we find ourselves standing on the cliff of a profound transformation. In this gripping exploration, we'll dive into the dangers of automation to untie the complex web of challenges it poses to our livelihoods and society at large. From factories to offices, no sector is immune to the relentless march of machines. Let's explore the delicate balance between technological progress and human prosperity. Is automation the enemy, or can it be controlled for the betterment of society? What role does reskilling and lifelong learning play in securing our futures? And most importantly, how can we ensure that no one is left behind in this transformative wave? Prepare yourself for an eye-opening journey into the dangers of automation, how technology is replacing jobs and threatening our livelihoods. As we confront the challenges ahead, we must come together to shape a future where human potential is not overshadowed but amplified by technology. Picture this: an assembly line once bustling with workers, now replaced by precision robots that work tirelessly, never tiring or demanding wages. According to recent studies, automation is projected to eliminate around 20 million manufacturing jobs worldwide by 2030. And it is not just the manufacturing sector facing disruption. Automation has penetrated into industries such as retail, transportation, and even white-collar professions like finance and customer service. A report by the World Economic Forum estimates that by 2025, automation will displace approximately 85 million jobs globally. The impacts are felt by individuals and communities alike. Take, for instance, the town of Mid-Valley, where a once thriving coal mine closed its doors, leaving hundreds of workers unemployed. They were replaced by advanced mining equipment, leaving the community fighting with unemployment, economic decline, and social disruption. Yet, it is crucial to acknowledge that automation is not solely a tale of doom and gloom. In many instances, technology has led to increased productivity, innovation, and the creation of new job opportunities. However, the concern lies in the uneven distribution of benefits and the potential for a significant skills gap. As automation advances, the demand for specialized skills such as data analysts, programming, and critical thinking jumps. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2025, around 50% of all employees will need reskilling to adapt to the changing workforce landscape. The question that looms before us is: how can we navigate this transformative era with compassion and fairness? A refined approach is essential, one that combines policies promoting lifelong learning, retraining programs, and collaboration between governments, educational institutions, and industries. It is not enough to focus solely on the negative implications of automation, however. We must embrace technology's potential while safeguarding the dignity and livelihoods of workers. By investing in education and empowering individuals with adaptable skills, we can create a future where humans and machines work hand in hand, complementing each other's strengths. Ultimately, the impact of automation on our livelihoods depends on how we navigate this paradigm shift. By proactively addressing the challenges, exploring new opportunities, and prioritizing the well-being of workers, we can shape a future where automation enhances human potential rather than diminishes it. Conclusion. As we conclude the topic, it becomes clear that we stand at a crossroads of immense challenges and boundless potential. Automation, while offering increased efficiency and productivity, possesses significant risks to the workforce, economic stability, and social cohesion. However, we have the power to shape the direction of this transformative wave. It is imperative that we embrace a holistic approach, one that combines empathy, foresight, and collaboration. By doing so, we can mitigate the negative impacts of automation while tracking its positive potential. Governments, industries, and individuals must prioritize investment in education, reskilling programs, and lifelong learning opportunities. By equipping ourselves with adaptable skills, we can navigate the ever-changing landscape of work and seize new opportunities that arise alongside automation. Furthermore, we must foster an inclusive and compassionate approach, ensuring that no one is left behind in the face of technological advancements. Policies that promote income security, worker protection, and social support systems are crucial in building a resilient society. By cultivating a culture of innovation and embracing the potential of human creativity, we can shape a future where automation becomes a motivation for positive change. It is not a question of humans versus machines, but rather a harmonic partnership that leverages technology to amplify our collective potential. The path forward is not without its challenges, but it is through unity, foresight, and a steadfast commitment to human dignity that we can forge a future where automation and human prosperity coexist. Together, let us embark on this journey, charting a course towards a future where the benefits of automation are equitably shared, where innovation uplifts rather than marginalizes, and where humanity's natural potential is released to create a better world for all. I believe you find the video useful. Like this video and subscribe the channel, and also if you have any thoughts or comments on the topic, do mention in the comment box.